Hi, my name is Eylene Pirez and I'm an astrophysicist, and this is similarities of Uranus and Neptune. So Uranus and Neptune are both gas giants, and actually because they're so similar we call them ice giants, and that is because their clouds in the atmosphere are dominated by ice. They are really almost twin planets, and generally they kind of go two and two together in terms of interior atmosphere behavior. So here is Uranus, and here is Neptune. So now, Uranus is about 15 times the mass of the Earth, and Neptune is 17 times the mass of the Earth. So their masses are nearly identical. Now, their interior is also nearly identical. They have both a rocky core, and then they both have actually mantles of like this slushy ammonia. So they have an ammonia mantle. And this one has the same. Now their atmosphere also has pretty much the exact same composition. It's about 80% hydrogen, 20% helium with like 1% of methane. It varies very little in percentage. So atmosphere is mostly hydrogen, helium, and methane. And they have the same. Now Neptune has a little bit more methane by like about 0.3%, and this is why Neptune looks a little more blue. So methane actually has an absorption band around the red side of the spectrum, meaning that the red wavelengths get absorbed and the blue wavelengths get reflected. So because of this slight more abundance of methane on Neptune, Neptune has a bluer hue to it. Now they both also have rings. Uranus rings are a little nicer than Neptune's. Neptune's rings are kind of like thin and dark and not very great, but they do both have ring systems. And then Uranus has 27 moons, and Neptune has 13 moons. And both of them actually have an off-center magnetic field. So I'll write that off-center B field. And these are the similarities between Uranus and Neptune. My name is Eylene Pirez and I'm an astrophysicist, and these are similarities of Uranus and Neptune.